Welcome back to Healthy Kitchen Wizard. Today we're making something absolutely beautiful. A fresh strawberry galette. Now if you've never had or made a strawberry galette before, it's basically a free-form French tart, which means no fancy shaping, no perfection required. Just a flaky crust, sweet strawberries, and the oven does the rest. Honestly, this may be the easiest dessert you'll ever make. Look at these gorgeous strawberries. I just bought them and I washed them. And they're sweet, they're juicy, and they're bursting with flavor. So let's get started. We're gonna start by making the crust. And I have 1 stick of butter. And this is sweet unsalted butter. This butter has to be very cold when you make the crust. We have our flour and salt in here. And before I go any further, I'd like you to know that the recipe is going to be on the bottom. All you have to do is hit more and you will see the recipe with all the measurements. I'm not going to be fancy today. I'll just mix it with my hands. So here we go. Okay, we're good. Now I'm going to add 7 tablespoons of ice water. Okay. And gently bring this all together. You don't want to overwork the crust. Just leave it nice and light. Look at that. Came together perfect. Have some parchment paper, and I'm just going to transfer this right on there. And that's how easy this is to make. Just pull it together. Look at my hands all. Okay, we're gonna put this in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. And then we'll move on to the next step. Look at these strawberries. They're packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and fiber. So while this is dessert, we're still getting a little bit of nutrition here. I'll show you how I cut my strawberries. Very, very simple. Nothing fancy. So I have 3 cups of strawberries. And see how beautiful? Now we're going to add 1/4 cup of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay, come on out. We're going to squeeze 1/2 of a lemon. And we're going to use some vanilla. Now I'm using the vanilla paste, so I'm only going to use 1/2 of a teaspoon. Okay. And just mix everything together. Ooh, that smells good already.
I can smell the lemon.
Yes. And that's it. Set that aside. We'll get our dough and start rolling it out. Okay, so I separated my dough into 2 pieces. We're gonna make 2 small galettes. And again, you don't need to be fancy. There's nothing that says you have to be perfect with this. Scoop the filling on. Oh, this smells so good. You want to eat it now. This will be perfect for us. There you go. Now you just turn the crust in and fold it in any which way. Like so. So, just like that. This actually looks like a nice little basket here. Roll the other one out right on this parchment paper. There you go. Okay, so we have 1 egg that's beaten, and we're gonna do an egg wash before we put it into the oven. Oh, that looks so pretty. Wow, doesn't that look pretty just by itself? You don't need to bake it, right? So we're gonna put it in the oven at 375 for 35 to 40 minutes. And my oven is ready, so here we go. See you in a minute. Okay, our strawberry galette is ready, and check it out. Oh my goodness. Look at that. The strawberries are soft and jammy. The crust is golden and crispy, and the aroma is incredible. So, okay, our galette is ready, and look at that. The strawberries are soft and jammy. The crust is golden and crispy, and the aroma is absolutely incredible. So we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of confectionery sugar on it, like so. Okay. And now for the best part, the taste test. Look at that crust. See? Oh, this is beautiful. Look at that. See how beautiful it is? Look at that. My friends, that is absolutely delicious. Sweet strawberries, the buttery crust, and that hint of lemon. Absolutely beautiful results. Now, don't go away. I have to show you my little secret for making my tea. So, I have some cardamom loose tea here. My new tea mug that my husband bought me. And this mug has a little strainer in it, see? See the strainer? Okay, so this is loose tea. And so you put the tea in the strainer like that. First you put the water in. This is hot water. And then you take the strainer with the tea in it, see? You put it right in there. And you have to allow it to steep for 5 minutes, and then you'll have tea. And then it has a little cover, and so this works great when I'm sitting at my desk and I'm editing, so my tea doesn't go cold very quickly. My friends, if you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss another one of my delicious pies